of the range of the Tata Motors offers, they have Tiago, Pico, Nexon and Harrier, and in premium segment they also offer in Jaguar and Range Rover range. But there is a one car which is the head turner on the road, that is Tata Nano. And if you see the Tata Nano, it is built from the scratch and a research product. And if you are a Tata Nano owner, you have always have a positive vibe in a discussion of automobiles about the Tata Nano. This is my QT which I show you in 2021. It's 2016 model, registered in April 2017 and already run more than 50,000 kilometers. If we talk about front, that smoky headlamp and the black molding in the front and the prominent Tata logo which is look dashing. The infinity pattern on the bumpers, fog lamp on the bumpers and a happy looking smiley face from the front and a one wiper on front and both ORVM you can see. From side you can see wheel cover on the wheels, antenna on roof, and the side look is the same from the first generation to the last generation of the Tata Nano. It's almost same, and this is the XTA model, so same color on bumper and ORVM. From back, Tata Nano has a rear engine, so it is a rear wheel drive car, and it is also have a same smiley pattern on the bumper which is same as the front, and it also has a openable hatch or openable tailgate. In earlier Tata Nano model there is no provision of tailgate, but it has. There is a more than 90 liter storage capacity, and storage capacity you can increase. It is a bench folding rear seat, so at the time of requirement you can increase your storage capacity. Tata Nano has a strong structure and assurance of Tata over build quality, and you feel safe and feeling a strong structure when you sit inside the Nano and close the door. Tata Nano is a 4-seater car, and there is ample space for 4 adults and 1 children. There is lots of leg space as well as head space. Large window and glass panels in a small car give you a better visibility of outside, and other plus point of the Tata Nano is 2 glove box in a front, 4 stock speakers, 2 in a front and 2 in a back on rail parcel tray. Parcel tray is also available in a back. Stereo also has a radio, FM and CD player and aux and USB connectivity. Sound quality of the Tata Nano stereo is very good, It is also has a Bluetooth connective facility from your mobile, so you can receive your call or do other multimedia function directly from your mobile. Tata Nano has 3 grab handle and 2 sun visor in front, and there is also a vanity mirror available co-passenger side. In the door of the Tata Nano, there is a lack of space. You cannot put your 1 liter bottle or half liter bottle in door pockets. But nowadays there is a one notebook type of water bottle come, so you can put that type of bottle in door pocket. Also has a 2 power window in the front, and there is a manual window in a back. This is 2016 Tata Nano. It has a dual tone interior and also automatic driving gear knob. There is a 2 mode of driving available. One is economy and one is sports mode. In sports mode, you can feel extra torque and extra punchiness in an engine. You can drive Tata Nano automatic in manual mode also. It is very helpful in a hilly areas where you can drive Tata Nano automatic in manual mode, and it also has a auto gear down facility. This XTA model has a manual AC, and the coolingness of the AC is very good. It can cool a car within a few seconds, and also have heating facility available in this model. And there is a 4 AC vent in the front. Position of driver information display is very good. You can see statistics easily from driving position. It has a speedometer, petrometer, cooling status of the car, other indicators which is related to engine. There is also available gear shift indicator, driving mode indicator, kilometers run, trip A, trip B, distance to MPT, average and real-time average statistics. It also has a digital clock, and these other indicators which are showing right now in display related to sensor automatically off when you start engine. This is the handbrake indicator, and the noise inside the car is very low. Over the speed of 100, you feel lack of stability in Tata Nano, and there is a braking issue over the speed of 100 because it does not have ABS or EBD. But below 100, you feel very comfortable when you are driving. Ride quality of the Nano is very good. Higher sitting position, good suspension setup, power steering, and the AMT option make Tata Nano is very good and comfortable car for city ride. When you drive Tata Nano in a city with AMT option, you do not feel fatigue. For me, Tata Nano is a very good car for city purpose as well as joyride within a range of the 300 kilometers. If we talk about the range, some car enthusiasts drive Tata Nano from Singur, West Bengal to the Sanad, a new facility of the manufacturing Tata Nano, and as well as some car enthusiasts drive Tata Nano from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Fully satisfied with the Tata Nano. This is the XTA variant, and I love this cutie. Thank you for watching video.